I'm not moving him. You never want it, and you're dead. Julie! God! I hate him! Stop it! You're gonna go in the kennel. Tell him you're going in the kennel! Get out of here! Champion! Get down, champion! Hey! Stop!
What a great movie that is. And you know, in many ways, Montgomery Clift's relationship with Olivia de Havilland during the making of this film somewhat influenced the way his character seemed to the story. He was always very courteous, but he always remained somewhat aloof.
Can you relax?
Olivia
Relax. Hey!
She never felt
Relax.
in a biography on Clift, Olivia is quoted as
No.
saying, I had a sense of modesty.
Look over there. Where's your ball? Go get your ball.
But wise lady, she also knew that only added to the way their relationship would play out on screen. She was also once asked if Miriam Hopkins, who played Olivia, had been difficult for her to work with, as Miriam is so famous as been.